Hello, Gilmer County Schools parents. I am Rob McCart, Gilmer County Schools Instructional Technology Specialist. Today, I'm going to be showing you some tips for helping your students navigate technology outside of the classroom. As you know, we are facing unprecedented situations this year, and technology and distance learning is more important than ever. So in order to help you be prepared for what may or may not come in our near future, I have provided some tutorials that will guide you through the steps needed to successfully complete your work, whether you are here at school or at home. This year we're going to be using Google Classroom. Google Classroom allows us to send assignments to students digitally, and they can respond and return the assignments to the teachers digitally. It'll allow us to communicate effectively, whether we are here at school or if we're at home. Also, we'll use Google Meets. This is a communication device that allows video conferencing between teachers and students. Included in this section are all the tutorials you're going to need. Tutorials for you and tutorials for your students.